The Singing Cedars of Siberia. Myth, nature, and awareness. Not far from modern cities, deep in the forests of Siberia, there's a story about trees that sing. In the books, The Ringing Cedars of Russia, a woman named Anastasia lives in the wilderness, in deep connection with nature. She speaks of ancient cedar trees that, at a certain age, begin to ring, holding energy, information, awareness, waiting for someone to listen. Now, whether you take that literally, symbolically, or somewhere in between, there's something interesting here, because science does tell us this. Trees are not silent. They communicate through vast underground networks, sharing nutrients, sending signals, even warning each other of danger. They also produce vibration, subtle sounds. And under stress, some trees even emit ultrasonic frequencies that we can't hear, but can measure. So maybe the question isn't, do trees sing? But have we forgotten how to listen? Because when you step into a forest and everything slows down, when your breath softens and your body settles, something does shift. Not because the forest changed, but because your awareness did. And maybe that's what the story was pointing to all along. Not something mystical that only a few can hear, but something natural that most of us have learned to ignore. If this message resonates with you, consider subscribing and visit myreiki.net for free downloadable tools and journaling resources to support your awareness practice.